turning. That's hard. Turning. Stop now. It's quite a solid chunk.
I might make it 90.
That's the wrong 90. Yeah. No, she's splitting.
Yeah.
It's still sparkling. She's still heat inside in the middle. Where the fucking tongs? Whack. Oh, that'll do. And a little bit there, just a little bit. Not up here. Yeah, that'll do. We're so good at this. Yeah. That worked. I mean, that did work. Very professional. Very. We'll just have to edit that bit out. You saw nothing. That bit there wants to fall off. I think that's the good to do the flaps, both sides.
We need to do it.
No, it's too cold.
Yeah, we need to sledge it next time.
Yeah, we want to get the two sledges in.
So sledge this way or no,
Let's
this way.
start this way.
It's fucking perfect. It's fucking perfect. We're not going to be using nearly as much.
Well, once we're making hammers, yeah. Well, it's still no, we're just going to be doing more with the same amount of charcoal, like.
Yeah. Okay, let me check.
Yeah.
$180.
Definitely is behind.
Right, too cold.
Yeah.
YouTube Shorts, you only have to practice the 60 seconds.
Yeah. So we're doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I, Alan, you, I, Alan, you.
Okay.
It's not sticking.
It is sticking.
No, it's not. Nice light taps. Light taps. It's not.
Flip. Hold that.
That's. Oh no. No.
Why is it not sticking? Hold on, let me just.
A little bit. Go on again. 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 Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. That's
Tortue.
twist. Oh. There we go.
That could have been hotter, really. Yeah.
Huh? We doing it?
Yeah, it's recording. Yeah, that'll do. Nice. Too cold, that's it. Oh, it's too cold, is it? No. that.